We've got a good old-fashioned acoustic guitar showdown today between the Taylor Gold Label Trey Hensley 510E and the Martin D-18, both in mahogany. This is a bluegrass focused channel, and for some reason I've seen this meme pop up coincidingly about the same time I've been playing these Taylor guitars recently. I've also demoed the 710E here on the channel. And so I want your opinion as I demo these two instruments here today. Does this guitar belong in the bluegrass realm, or just what do you think of the sound in general? Let me know down in the comment sections. I'm going to run through some tunes and then I'm going to give you a couple thoughts at the end. I'm playing these two guitars here today with the exact same strings. These are D'Addario XS 13s. Medium gauge. The strings on the Martin are a tiny bit older, but they're both quite new. Using the same pick throughout. Gonna play a bit of a tune called Old Grimes here. If you want to learn this, I put a lesson up yesterday, so check out this video and I'll link it down below. Let the showdown between these two heavy hitters begin. Okay, quick demos here. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I will say this, I don't get these takes the first try. Sometimes they're quick, sometimes it takes me a while. I have been playing that Martin guitar, or it was my main guitar rather, for about a year, maybe a little more than a year. And I've been recently playing these two Taylors in the studio. And take it for what it's worth, I'm getting these takes a little bit quicker on the Taylor. These are two very different sounding guitars, as you just heard there. They both sort of have their own distinctive sound. They project very differently and they feel really different just playing them. And so it is kind of comparing apples to oranges. The two guitars look differently, and really the only thing that they've got in common is that they're made of the same tone wood, mahogany. And so I want to leave this up for you guys. I had this video requested when I reached out or made a video about what folks might want to see in regards to these two guitars. And so put your comments down below. If you'd like to start learning with me, go to www.codymmusic.com, where I teach what I'm playing here, or some of what I'm playing here. And it's really aimed at that beginner level player that wants to bust out of just singing and playing chords and wants to start learning some bluegrass lead and putting it all together. So folks, Let me know what you thought of these two guitars. We'll see you on the next one, and bye-bye. Have a great afternoon.